Hello my friends, today I want to show to you one simple technique, but it is a powerful technique to making a good simulation. And in next videos I will share with you more advanced techniques with you to understanding the best class technique. I'm going to talk about class and you can make a powerful simulation with class without using rigid body or rigid body simulation. Okay, let's get started. Here I have a simple chain, okay, and one simple box. Okay, here's the chain and a simple box. We can make this chain with ellipse. I made it with ellipse and like this, you see. Okay, use one ellipse and I convert it to editable poly, and I copy this ellipse like this. You can make this simple chain with ellipse like this and then convert it to, and then you have to attach it. Okay, attach all ellipse together and then convert it to editable poly. This chain. Okay, to start I will make one plane till here. Okay, and use some segment for the plane. I have used 50. You can reduce it or increase it for your work. $50 is enough. And then add one wind in a space warp. Use wind. Select the plane and go to modify panel and add cloth. Click on object properties and select the plane on the list, and here select the cloth. Okay, and for U stretch and V stretch I'm using the 500 for shear, 250, and density I reduce it to 0.05, and make sure to enable the use edge springs and thickness to 1. Okay, click on OK. Open the class drop down list, select the group. Okay, go to the front view and select these two edge or vertices. Select these vertices and make a group. Okay, write one name for this for example prep, and here select it and use preserve. Click on preserve button. Okay, deselect the group. In the cloud reload, click on cloud forces and select the wind. Send it to forces in simulation list here and click OK. Okay, then select the wind and increase the strength to, for example, 4 or 3. You can play with this parameter later to receive the good result. Turbulence, set it to 1, frequency 0.7, and scale maybe 0.2 or maybe less, 1, and turbulence 2. Okay, everything is ready to simulate. Wait to simulate will finish. Okay. So here we have our class, okay, and now we can select the chain, go to modify panel and use a skin wrap modifier. Okay, skin wrap here, skin wrap, and click on add button and select the plane that we simulated as a class. Okay, we can hide the plane for now, we don't need it more. Select the plane and hide it. And now we can test our simulation. Select the chain, go to modify panel and click on weight all points. Okay, as you can see, it is a so simple way, but it is a powerful way to simulating the something like chain or I don't know, everything. I will share with you more techniques on the next videos. Okay, without using rigid bodies, without using anything, just we have used powerful techniques. Thanks for watching these videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will share more advanced techniques with you. And also you can play with the parameters, play with the wind, turbulence to receive the different result.